Welcome back to another video. Today actually we'll be doing some modification to my desk setup because it's looking not nice right now, and usually I love keeping it clean and also love making some slight modifications. So that's what we're doing today, right? I got me some RGBs. These are RGB strips that I got from Amazon. Also Alexa controlled, Google as well. So I want to add some light into my desk setup, just spike up the mood a little bit. And I also have these NZXT RGB fans that I'll be putting on my PC. I have the fans I have currently on there are not RGB. I got tired of them, so you can do that when you have money to waste, right? I just want to change the looks a little bit and add some little bit RGB in this place. And also one more thing as well, I will be fixing my cable situation down there because it's looking disgusting down there right now. My cable tray fell off my desk, so I'll be putting that up. And actually I do have a whole lot of stuff to do today. I'm also going to try to mount this monitor to the wall and see how is that going to look. And also one of these RGB strips as well is going to the back of the monitor. So let's do it. Well, this is the scary part, man. Moving this crane. Like, I never ever want to touch this thing after I put it on. Because I'm always scared of breaking it, right? And these things are expensive. So, another day of me taking a risk touching this stuff. Let's see. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Put it up a little bit. The brackets that came with the stuff, it's bigger than the space provided for this to get into. Yikes, that sucks. Halfway through the process, cable management is done. Put up the monitor again, which is the most difficult part because I never wanted to break this thing. I'm happy I didn't break it. I'm not sure about that yet though because I haven't tested yet, but it looks pretty good so far. But I'm not mounting the monitor to the wall anymore because the bracket that Amazon sent me doesn't fit for this monitor. So I think that's actually good that it didn't fit because I was a bit skeptical too, if I really want to put these things on the wall, man, because I don't want it to drop off when I'm not home or when I'm sleeping, then come back and see it all smashed up. So I'm just leaving it like that with the stand that it comes with. It's been working fine. The reason why I wanted to mount it on the wall in the first place is because one, it looks cooler, and two, probably gonna give me a bit more space over here because this thing takes a whole lot of space. But I can deal with that. I've been like that for the past couple months now, so I should be fine. But yeah, the LED too is installed, looking nice. So the last thing that left now is to install the fans on my PC. Then boom, see what that looks like then. Fan is working fine, but I'm not seeing no RGB yet though. Another roadblock, so the fans are not gonna work for me either because one, I didn't do my research before buying them. But yes, so I actually do need some other pieces, the remote control for it, the bridge that holds stuff, and which didn't come with the fan. So this thing doesn't work for going through all that because even if I get the bridge right, I would also have to kind of like almost break down the whole PC again just to install the fans just for some RGB lights. So it don't worth it. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is right now. It's been perfect like that. I don't know what got in my head in the first place, so I'm gonna do all this modification. But hey, that's what it is today. Kind of took a L, but it's all good. At least I learned something. But yes, about to put this thing back up together, clean up, and get me some nice lunch because I'm super hungry right now. I'm tired, man. All this little roadblocks are stressing me out right now. I'm returning you, bad boy. That's looking nice now. Now I can finally focus and finally be productive, right? Because one, that's the main reason for having a nice and clean desk, right? Because if you have too many stuff around, like sometimes it causes distraction. But 90% of the time, that's what my desk is like. They're like messy and all that. Some people actually do find creativity from like messy workplaces, but that's not me. Yeah, I just gotta keep it clean so I can focus and it just put all the distraction things away, right? Talking too much right now and I'm getting even more hungry here. So I'm about to make me some meal and wrap this video for you guys. Boom, look at this, man. Granola, raisins, and yogurt, right? Easy to prepare, and it's good for single men like us, young single men, man. This is nice. Don't take that much, but it gets the job done. Plus, if you're a gym junkie like me as well, perfect. I don't know what the calories are. I don't know what the nutritions that are on there, but all I know is gonna be good for you. And we also get this Easy from Amazon. Try this thing out, man. It's really good. Get you some yogurt, granola, and raisins, or you can add fruit to it too. But I don't like going for fruits because fruits are usually expensive. Plus, they go bad sometimes, and I hate wasting food. So I just go with the raisins, and they last for a very long time. So works for me for now. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this content, and please check out my other videos as well. If you do find value in this video, consider subscribing. If you haven't done so yet, hit the bell so you can get notified when I upload next. And check out my other contents, man. I do lots of videos like this. I do vlogs, DIYs, and also inspirational videos as well. So thanks so much, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Gotta finish my meal, man.